Hi!
We've designed a solar panel specifically for snow.
Solar needs innovation for specialized climates.
In our region, we have year-round solar potential, but solar panels are usually designed in a way that doesn't work for us.
We expect to lose 10 to 16% of our power output to snow.
Climates like ours represent a $40 billion market with low adoption rates, craving a resilient solution. We're tackling this need.
Our first product is a solar panel frame that sheds snow. Typical solar panels have gaps, ridges, and clips that accumulate snow. Our design eliminates these.
By rapidly prototyping the frame design, we have been able to work within the limits of existing manufacturing lines to create a low-cost, quick-to-deploy product that works with our unique challenges. Our second product is a refined carbon heater.
This premium feature brings critical snow-burden systems back online. We look forward to extensive testing with Sandia and CFB Labs in the next phase.
Since becoming a semi-finalist in the American-Made Solar Prize, it has been a whirlwind.
Since winning, we've completed numerous proof of concepts, been featured in 2 news outlets, presented twice, conducted dozens of customer interviews, acquired materials, and we've built relationships. In addition to our existing partnerships, we've secured new ones with inventors, installers, businesses, developers, and solar advocates.
And we have identified 3 potential pilot projects. Because we live in northern Minnesota, we are uniquely qualified to handle this challenge.
Carl loves solar and has experience in prototyping and manufacturing.
Danielle has experience in business and marketing.
To help meet our goals, we also onboarded Tyler, Pete, and Anaqueta. It's time to refine solar for specialized markets.
We've had a great experience so far and look forward to continuing in the American-Made Solar Prize.
Thank you.